Hello boys, welcome to another brand new video. Let me set the context for today's video. In this video, I'll review my own mistakes which I have committed during my graduation, even before I was starting my graduation. So nobody ever talked to me on this context. So I just decided to give you a hint and some knowledge about what you guys can offer. So the first and foremost thing I have noticed, like most of senior software engineer will not tell you like how software engineer work inside the industry, right? Like you would consider yourself, you will have built a lot of projects like GitHub clones, Netflix clone, there are a bunch of other clones which you guys must have cloned. So I think these will not help you out to gain any or land any job in the industry. Why is it so? I feel like the most prominent thing in getting any industry job is like how things and how chunks of developers and teams are working under the hood. So the first thing you should always look after is how the code is actually executing over the server. I'm just talking about the backend servers as of now, right? So if you know how all the workers, how all the infrastructure is working under the hood on the production side, so that will really help you out. How you will get knowledge about this? There are a bunch of open source repositories which you can go through and you can learn about it. Like one of the most repository to which I've contributed recently, I think, is care.com, and there are a lot of alternatives over there. So you can learn a lot of things from all these repositories. Besides this, I would also urge on getting some knowledge from the front end side in the like for deployment. Yeah, you must have to come up with the pipelines, CD, because let's say if you are building an application, so it will not be like this, like you are building something in house and you are pushing all the code manually into the production side. That's not really helpful, and even you won't be able to manage quite frequent changes in this method, right? So for this context, you will really be needing the CI/CD pipelines. Like you are building something in-house, and it will automatically and drastically deploy over to the server. So that's one of the benefit of learning the production side. And the second step is to seek guidance from your senior friend or your senior let's say you are in university, you are seeking any assistance from your senior. So that's really helpful for you. And apart from this, like the third step would be like there are a bunch of AI tools, right? So if nobody is gonna help you out, then there will be AI tool which will really help you out. Like let's say if I have recently used Cursor ID, so when I don't know any code base, I just give the AI a prompt to give me an overview about the entire code base. So it's really fantastically, and like the prompts are really fascinating. So I really helped from through the AI tools as well. You can learn SAM as well. The fourth step I feel like is like to make your hands dirty with your own projects. Let's say you have built uh, your project in the first three steps, right? So the next challenge would be deploying them into the uh, production, right? So that would really help you out. And like one major issue here is you will understand everything where you messed up, where you have to make sure these things are breaking. And the last thing I think is the security concerns, because if your website or web app or mobile application is not secure, then that will be really vulnerable even for the public. So make sure to learn about security as well. So these are the 5 steps which I had in my mind so far, and if I will have some others, then definitely I will be really excited to share all of them with you guys. Until now I have these in my mind, so yeah, I will see you in the next one. Until then, stay tuned. Peace out.